Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you, Bachita. Good morning, everybody. Happy Halloween. We are extremely pleased you are here. This is Chef James from Your Z Culinary, and today we're gonna make some pumpkin spice pancakes. First, we're gonna make our pumpkin spice, then our pancake batter, and then we're gonna cook those pancakes and put them on a plate and decorate it for Halloween. You guys ready? Okay, let's get started. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna make our own pumpkin spice. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, we're gonna mix all these together really good. We want to make sure all our measurements are right. It's very important because this is where all the flavor comes from in your pumpkin dishes. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin latte, pumpkin pancakes. It's really important to get the measurements right. Make sure you get all those ginger balls that's inside of there smashed out. Okay, take your flour in a cup and overfill your cup and level it out with your butter knife. And add 2 cups of flour. One-third cup of sugar. Okay, for your spoon, you want to do the same thing. Overfill it and then level it out with a butter knife. Then you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Same thing with your larger spoon. You're going to overfill it and then level it out with your butter knife. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to add 1 3/4 tablespoon of your pumpkin spice mix. And mix all of this stuff together as much as you can. Mix it around really good. The more we mix now, the less we got to mix later. Have some fun with it, but just try not to make a big mess. Okay. Okay, crack 1 egg in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. And give it a good stir. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna add our buttermilk. We need 2.5 cups of buttermilk. Then we're gonna give it a nice whisk. Mix it together. Once again, mix as much as you can now so we don't have to mix too much later. Now we're gonna take our buttermilk, vanilla, and egg and mix it into our dry ingredients. Don't stir too hard. Mix it until it's kind of wet, not too much. You can kind of see how it's working in, right? Okay, then we're gonna add our butter and we're gonna whisk lightly until it's blended pretty good, but not over blended. We wanna see a little bit of lumps in there. We don't wanna mix it too much to where you see gluten strands coming out. That'll make your pancakes kind of rubbery and dense. We're trying to keep it simple. So once this is mixed, ready to cook. So buttermilk and regular milk has 2 different consistencies. If your batter seems a little thick, just add a little bit of regular milk to it and give it a slow stir until it's mixed in. Okay, let's cook some pancakes. We got these stainless steel cookie cutters that can be heated to 446 degrees so we can cook our pancakes inside of them without them melting. Make sure you got your tongs and a nice thin spatula. Okay, you can use about maybe a spoon and a half in each cookie cutter. Put the batter inside and give it a little shake. If it don't level out all the way, shake it a little bit. It should level out. Should let it cook maybe about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Okay, for our plate, I started off with some black sprinkles. All right, set our pancakes on there. Got a pumpkin, coffin, and a skull. Then I'm gonna add some whipped cream. Oh yeah. Chocolate syrup. Can't go wrong with chocolate syrup, y'all. How about some candy pieces? Some gummy fingers. A couple of gummy bones. Little eyeball. Some candy corn. And then finish it off with some sprinkles. I'm sure everybody loves sprinkles, right? I know I do. Okay. Happy Halloween!